Unlock the secret of the dragon's might with Kegel exercises for men. We're diving into an exciting topic that is not often discussed, yet holds immense potential for every man's well-being and confidence. Kegel exercises, named after Dr. Arnold Kegel, who first popularized them, are simple workout routines for the pelvic floor muscles. Yes, you heard it right. Muscles that you may not have thought about much before, but are key players in your overall health and performance. These exercises are not just for women, as commonly believed. Men too can reap impressive benefits from strengthening their pelvic floor muscles. From improved bladder control to enhanced dragon power, the rewards are worth the effort. And the best part? They can be done anytime, anywhere without anyone noticing. So are you ready to take control and tap into this hidden power? Stay tuned to discover how these simple exercises can revolutionize your life. Ever wondered about the inner workings of your dragon? Let's take a closer look at the anatomy of the pelvic floor muscles, the unsung heroes that play a crucial role in the life of your dragon. These muscles are a complex network that supports your bladder, bowels, and yes, your dragon. They're like the foundation of a skyscraper, holding everything aloft and ensuring everything functions as it should. The pelvic floor muscles are a group of muscles that span the area underneath your pelvis. They act like a hammock, supporting vital organs like your bladder and intestines. But in the context of our dragon analogy, these muscles also play a vital role in maintaining the health of your dragon. When it comes to your dragon, the pelvic floor muscles help in multiple ways. They play a crucial role in erectile function and ejaculation. These muscles contract during arousal, helping your dragon rise to the occasion. They also play a key role in the climactic moment of intimacy, ensuring a powerful and satisfying experience. But it's not just about the pleasures of the bedroom. The pelvic floor muscles also help control your bladder and bowel movements. A strong pelvic floor means you can avoid the embarrassment of leaks or unexpected accidents. Just like any other muscle in your body, your pelvic floor can be strengthened and conditioned. The more you work these muscles, the stronger they become, and a stronger pelvic floor can lead to a more robust and resilient dragon. But why should you care about your pelvic floor muscles? Well, a strong pelvic floor can enhance your love life, improve bladder and bowel control, and even boost your overall quality of life. So, taking care of these muscles is not just about vanity, it's about maintaining your overall health and well-being. Now that you know more about your dragon, let's explore how to keep it strong and mighty. Time to flex those muscles and boost your dragon's power. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to perform Kegel exercises. They're simple, straightforward, and the benefits they provide are nothing short of amazing. Imagine you're trying to stop yourself from passing gas. That clenching motion you'd use? That's the essence of a Kegel exercise. You're targeting the pelvic floor muscles, the unsung heroes that support your dragon. Here's the step-by-step. First, locate the pelvic floor muscles. You can do this by trying to stop your flow while urinating. The muscles you squeeze are the ones we're working on. Next, empty your bladder and lie down. This position is ideal for beginners as it helps reduce the strain on your abdominal and thigh muscles. Now tighten your pelvic floor muscles, hold the contraction for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Try it a few times. If 5 seconds feels like a stretch, start with 2 seconds and gradually build up. Try to maintain your focus. For these exercises to be effective, it's important to concentrate on tightening only your pelvic floor muscles. Be careful not to flex the muscles in your abdomen, thighs, or buttocks, and remember, don't hold your breath. Breathe freely during the exercises. Now repeat this exercise 10 times, 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and night. Like any workout, consistency is key. The beauty of Kegels is that they can be done anytime, anywhere. While you're at work, driving, or even just lounging around the house. They're discreet, requiring no special equipment or gym attire. And the benefits? Well, they're multifold. Strengthening these muscles can enhance your dragon's performance, increase its power, and even improve control. Not to mention, it can contribute to better overall health. But remember, patience is a virtue. It may take a few weeks to a few months of regular Kegel exercises to notice the changes, but stick with it. Consistency is the key to awakening the dragon's full potential. Practice makes perfect. Consistency is key to awaken the dragon's full potential. Imagine a stronger, fiercer, and more potent dragon. The impact of Kegel exercises on your dragon can be nothing short of transformative. These seemingly simple pelvic floor exercises can have a profound effect on the size and strength of your dragon. But don't just take my word for it. Let's break it down with some science. Researchers have found compelling evidence that regular Kegel exercise can significantly improve erectile function. That's right, The strength of your dragon's flame can be dramatically boosted through these exercises. They work by strengthening the bulbocavernosus muscle, which plays a key role in engorging your dragon during arousal. By regularly exercising this muscle, men have reported noticeable increases in the size and potency of their dragons. Beyond the physical benefits, Kegel exercises can also enhance your dragon's performance. Men who regularly perform Kegels have reported increased control over their dragon's flame, leading to a more satisfying experience for both themselves and their partners. That's a win-win situation if there ever was one. Let's hear from some real men who've reaped the benefits of these exercises. One man shares, "Since starting Kegel exercises, I've noticed a significant improvement in the size and strength of my dragon. It's like I've discovered a whole new level of confidence." Another testifies, "Kegel exercises have not only improved my dragon's performance, but also my overall quality of life." Science and testimonials aside, the most compelling evidence is the one you'll discover for yourself. Once you've experienced the transformative power of Kegel exercises, there's no going back. You'll see firsthand the difference it can make in your dragon's size, strength, and performance. So, to all the men out there who dream of a stronger, fiercer, and more potent dragon, Kegel exercises could be the answer you've been searching for. Remember, the power to transform your dragon lies in your hands, or rather, your muscles. Are you ready to take control of your dragon's destiny? The journey to dragon mastery is a rewarding one, but it takes time, patience, and persistence. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. First, let's talk about how to incorporate Kegel exercises into your daily routine. It's simpler than you think. A good way to start is by doing a set of 10 repetitions, 3 times a day. You can do it while you're sitting at your desk, driving your car, or even while you're watching TV. The beauty of these exercises is that they are discreet and do not require any special equipment. Once you get comfortable with the basic exercise, you can increase the intensity by holding the squeeze for a longer period, say 5 seconds or more. But remember, it's not a race. The key is to do the exercises correctly and consistently. Now you might be wondering, how long will it take to see results? Well, this is a journey, and just like any other journey, it will take time. Some men may notice changes in as little as a few weeks, while others might take a few months. But remember, every dragon is unique. What matters is not how fast you get there, but the fact that you are making progress. It's also important to listen to your body. If you're feeling any discomfort or pain, take a break. There's no point in pushing yourself too hard and risking injury. Remember, the goal here is to strengthen your dragon, not to strain it. And finally, don't forget to celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Every step forward is a step closer to dragon mastery. So be proud of yourself and the progress you're making. So there you have it. Your path to dragon mastery. It's not a quick fix, it's a journey, but it's a journey worth taking. So are you ready to take the first step? Embrace the journey to dragon mastery. The power is in your pelvic floor. You're not alone on this journey to dragon mastery. Remember, we're all in this together, each striving to unlock the hidden power within our dragons. As you embark on this path, don't hesitate to share your experiences, challenges, and successes with Kegel exercises. Whether it's a struggle you've overcome, a milestone you've reached, or a question you're grappling with, your story could be the motivation or guidance someone else needs. So go ahead, dive into the comments section below, and let's start a conversation. You never know, your insights might just be the game changer for someone else. And if you have a friend who could benefit from this empowering journey, don't hesitate to tag them. Together, we can conquer this journey and unleash the full potential of our dragons. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more empowering content.